During World War I, British merchant ships sailed with a deadly secret. They looked helpless, defenseless cargo vessels crossing dangerous waters, but hidden beneath fake deck panels were massive naval guns. These were Q ships, floating death traps designed to fool German submarines. When U-boats surfaced for an easy kill, crews had to play dead, let themselves be shelled, watch their friends die, all while waiting for the perfect moment. Then the panels would drop, guns would emerge, and the hunter became the hunted. The ocean became a stage where acting meant survival.